again, everyone. It's Colleen here, Artwork by Colleen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a kaleidoscope kind of fall colored cane. And I used the yellow and white. I made an accordion fold also with the orange and like a darker orange. And then I took those two little squares and I decided to cut them into long diagonals, and then put a piece of black in between each one just to give it a little pop, I guess you would say. And so I went ahead and lined those up, as you can see there, and then I covered them in black. And then I took this piece of white and I put black in between it, and then I put a piece of orange on the other side of it. And at this point, I kind of don't even think I know what I'm doing with this yet. Didn't have a direction. Where I thought I was going is definitely not where I went. And then I made some green. I covered it in black, and I made two like little, circle tube shapes or whatever, and I put them on either side of that little S shape, and I made that as the next section of it. And then I took a piece of green, and I did the same thing with a Skinner blend and made an accordion fold and put an X on it instead. Now, at this point, I had thoughts of making it into a square. However, it just seemed to want to go into a triangle. So at this point, I thought to give it more of a Halloween vibe, which was originally what I was going for, I thought I'd put the orange and black together, which was okay. And I went and layered it across the top. And as you can see here, I decided to do just an extra little yin-yang with some yellow, white, and then some green double lined with black, just to give some more pizzazz to the whole look of it. At this point, I honestly wasn't sure still where I was going, but this was going to be sort of more towards the top of the cane. Well, now it's going to be the triangular shape because that just seemed to be where it was leading. And then I just decided that I thought it would look nice to bring that orange and black down to the bottom too, to sort of finish it off. And aside from that, I had a little bit extra, so I figured, what the heck. So then that's what I ended up with. I put those three little extra white dots to kind of complete it out, and then I reduced it down, and these are the three designs that I came up with. So I ended up really liking it, but Halloween it definitely was not. So that's why I'm calling it a fall kaleidoscope cane. And the last one I made, I just put the three pieces together, split it down the middle, and then just made a whole one. But on this one, I decided to keep them separate so that I could make separate things with it if I wanted. I'm just giving you these three pieces here to show you the three different ways, depending on which way you turn the triangles, of what it would come out to. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thanks for following me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome, awesome day.